Hi there, students. A wellspring. A wellspring. Okay, this is where water comes out of the ground. It's the source of a spring. So maybe you'll find a place on a mountain where water just comes out. That is a wellspring. The Americans, I think, also call this a fountainhead, but I would call it a spring. Is the source of water, is where water comes out of the earth, and this is a wellspring. Yeah, it's a wellhead. It's where water comes, and very often the water from a wellspring is said to have curative properties. It's the source of a stream, of a river, of a spring. Now, we can also use this metaphorically to say the source of something. The place where something comes from, the place where something starts. So, she is my muse, she is the wellspring of my creative spirit, is the source, is where it comes from. The English language is the wellspring of my ideas for videos. Well, also, I think student requests are are another wellspring of my ideas for videos. Okay, so it's where it comes from. This restaurant is the wellspring of the family's money. It's the wellspring of where their money comes from. So a wellspring, it's an abundant source of something. Yeah. She is a wellspring of ideas. She's always producing new ideas. Let's see. For the real meaning, the wellspring is the source of water for a well or for a fountainhead. Yeah, but you can use this. We use this metaphorically. The source of something. Internet is a wellspring of information. It's a complete and it's a continual and abundant supply of information. It's where it comes from. It is a wellspring of knowledge. Okay, so the wellspring, it's a source of something, especially when you consider it to be inexhaustible. It just comes and comes and comes and comes. So I love my dog because he is a wellspring of affection. He's always affectionate to me. Let's see, a wellspring. I think in the Bible you will find this word wellspring as well. Solomon says that the heart is the wellspring of life. Your heart is where your being comes from, where your essence comes from. It is the essence of your being. It's where, this is why you need to look after your heart, because it is the wellspring of your being. It's the most important part of your existence. So a wellspring, a fountainhead, an abundant source, a wellhead, the root of something, the beginning of something. Okay, so nature is the wellspring of all life, and this is why we need to look after Mother Nature. Okay, so the wellspring, the perennial source of something, it's where something emanates from, it's where it comes from. Yeah, but originally it's where water comes from, because normally when water comes out of the ground in a spring, it seems eternal. It's unusual for them to run dry. So a wellhead, a fountainhead. Okay, so a wellspring. Yeah, a spring is another word for where water comes out of the ground. Yeah, a spring. To springen from Middle English, to burst forth, to flow forth. Old English springan with the same meaning, and it's linked to all sorts of other northern words. I don't know, Swedish springer, for example. So a wellspring, formality, a wellspring of knowledge, a wellspring of money. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It sounds a bit poetic, it sounds a bit literary. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So, wellspring, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Wellspring.